Hello there, and welcome.
So here we are going to reveal the true water invasive species that threaten native life. Before we move on, what are invasive species?
Invasive species may be portrayed as any living organism that are not native to an ecosystem and are most likely to intrude and destroy that causes harm to the environment and the economy.
Let us now reveal the list.
The first water invasive species in our list is water lily.
Water lilies are plants that grow in still or slowly moving water. They are mostly found in ponds, streams, and at the edge of the lake in tropical and mild areas. Their floating leaves are often called lily pads. They grow from the muddy bottom of a body of water where thick underwater stems are buried in the mud. A single flower blooms at the end of each stalk. The flowers are shaped like stars or cups and may vary in different colors such as white, green, pink, yellow, red, orange, purple, or blue. Water lilies also produce fruits. It may look like a nut or a berry. When the fruit opens, the seed sinks or floats away to produce another plant. However, due to its capabilities to produce at a fast rate, it became the most damaging aquatic plant worldwide, and similar to other countries, it has severely infested the waters of the Philippines. Moreover, it grows in mats up to 2 meters wide, which can reduce light and oxygen, change water chemistry, and affect the local flora and fauna. In Laguna de Bay, it covers about 20% of the lake surface area. Because of the water's high sewage concentration, the plant yields about 657 tons of dry matter per hectare a year. Its presence has blocked access in the waterways, and due to the blockage, it has caused heavy floods and increased pollution, especially on rainy seasons. Thus, causing problems in marine transportation, such as fishing and irrigation, especially in areas such as Pasig River and Laguna de Bay. To lessen or to make use of the water lilies, some people turn it into medicine, charcoal, animal feed, fertilizer, and many, many more.
The second water invasive species in our list is the mosquito fish.
The mosquito fish or gambusha is a small but voracious eater that is adapted to feed at the water surface. They are native to Virginia, but they have spread rapidly because of human introduction. This small insectivorous fish has become a popular way to get rid of mosquito larvae and prevent infestations. Mosquito fish spreads quickly as it reproduces every 21 to 28 days and can survive harsh conditions. This fish has a lifespan of up to 1 year and 5 months in the wild and can live longer if it is kept as a pet. It grows about 1.5 inches long, and they eat almost anything such as small insects including worms, snails, tadpoles, mosquito larvae, and many more. However, they are aggressive towards other fish, often shredding the fins of larger fish or eating the eggs of cohabiting species such as largemouth. In Dagupan City, there are students who release thousands of mosquito fish into canals and waterways to help campaign against the spread of dengue fever. However, according to Teresa Mondita Lim, Department of Environment and Natural Resources Protected Areas and Wildlife Bureau, further and intentional release of the mosquito fish into the waterways may bring more serious implications and irreversible damage to our already fragile biodiversity. She has also stated that experts identified the fish as one of the world's worst invaders. Furthermore, the Global Invasive Species Database tagged the mosquito fish as a pest in many waterways around the world, after initial introductions as a biological control agent for mosquitoes. Moreover, in their website, The GISD stated that the highly predatory mosquito fish eats the eggs of economically desirable fish and endangers rare indigenous fish and invertebrate species. In addition, they are difficult to eliminate once established, thus the best way to reduce their numbers is to control their further spread.
Lastly, we have humans as a water invasive species.
According to Britannica, a human being is a culture-bearing primate classified in the genus Homo, especially the species H. We're anatomically similar and related to the great apes, but are distinguished by a more highly developed brain and resultant capacity for articulate speech and abstract reasoning. Humans are considered as invasive species for similar to other invasive species where they are likely to cause economic harm, environmental harm, or harm to human health. Moreover, an invasive species are widespread humans, which can be found in every continent meets the aspect of invasiveness. Furthermore, invasive species have adverse effects on its new habitat and our human health. Humans also meet this definition in too many ways. Some human activities around the world, like throwing sewage into body of water such as industrial waste into rivers and oceans, negatively affects the waters, causing it to become polluted. Also, the use of harmful fertilizers are activities that greatly affects the water resources. We can't eradicate humans, but humans can be a tool to eradicate the human activities that includes them in being an invasive species.
From the information that was revealed, we hope that you are now aware of the dangers that the invasive species may bring not only in water but in others as well.
That's all for the list, and thank you for watching.